This is a quick unboxing and review of the Testors DeTomaso Pantera. Again, I think this kit is out of production, but I just got it recently from eBay, but I couldn't find any reviews online, so I'm just doing this in case you guys are thinking the same as me and trying to buy one of these. Let's open this box and let's see what is inside. So, as you can see, this box is really old. Like some of these kits are out of production, but they re-release them, or they can do a new tooling maybe. So these part instructions. It doesn't seem like a different kit. Part count, wheel tires, interior, exterior. As you can see, this kit was made to receive a battery and a motor, electric motor. A lot of old kits from Japan, they have all that, batteries and motors. Let's check it. Let's check the parts. So, two bags, that's the part, and the body. One set of stickers. And in addition, the instructions. Let's open these bags and see what is inside. You can see the body kit is pretty cool. Detail is sharp, well molded. I cannot see any sing marks or anything. It's a really cool body style of this car. Check it out. Really, really nice. It's kind of shame that this car doesn't have the engine molded in. I mean, not molded in the body, but like in parts. This one was supposed to have electric motor and batteries. It'll be nice if there is like an aftermarket kit for this one. Maybe with a resin engine. I know these cars had like a Ford engine, so it wouldn't be far-fetched to find like an aftermarket engine and a scratch build interior for this, but for what it is, it's really nice. Let's check the other bag. All right, I opened this bag and let's put out the contents of this. Okay, transparent screws with a windshield, windows, and the backlights. Really clear. Nice pieces. Very nice. Let's check the other ones. Alright. I don't know what this is. Probably, I don't know if it's a firewall and interior parts for the doors. And a central console there. Okay, so we jump to the wheels. The wheels are molded, as you can see, in black plastic. Dashboard here. This box is for the battery, and then the drive wheel and pedals and other parts. There's no flash on these parts or any sing marks. I think it's really good quality, the molding and for an old kit. You can see some marks here on the back, but they'll be covered, so it's not that important. Yeah, as you can see, This is sometimes a shame on these cars, depending on what you like to do. But for me, it's a shame that they deny pretty much any detail on the bottom. Like, you can see here the transmission is just pretty much a relief on the plastic. It doesn't really have anything molded. And this is the lead, where the battery goes, and the lead goes there. And I can see here forward, off, reverse. So this was intended to be kind of cross between a model kit and a toy. I don't know if back in those days or when these kits were built, there was some kind of track or something for these kits, to run. I don't know. These sometimes weird things that they have in Japan, or like, tendencies. Yeah, here, there you go. There is the sprocket. Let's open this bag and check it out. Surely enough, there is like a sprocket gear if you want to equip it with an electric motor, and then the wheels. The wheels, they don't have any thread, any drawing or anything at all. They're like just flat wheels, rubber wheels. This kit, it was totally intended to be, I don't know, like an Escalectric or like some kind of toy kit. But I'm sure you can find aftermarket tires for this one. It's a very good kit. So it comes with a set of 4 rubber tires. There you go. So this is pretty much the full content of this model kit. Overall, it's a very nice kit, and again, there's not too much options out in the market for this kind of model. So if you want to build one of these, pretty much there's no other way to go like this one, or some Japanese companies that they manufacture this kind of kit. I'm going to review soon another version of this DeTomaso Pantera model kit from a Japanese company. I don't know the name of the company. I just bought it from eBay. It's an old model kit from the Cannonball Run movie, but it's like an earlier version of this DeTomaso Pantera. Thank you guys. I hope you like this video. Subscribe for the next upcoming videos. Thanks.